cold today. Chicoletta, where have you gone?
Pups, there's a snow blizzard which is causing problems for everyone. We need you to help rescue them.
We're on it, Ryder.
Sounds like Mayor Goodway's under the snow.
I'll find Chicoletta. Thank you, Rubble. There's Chicoletta. Chicoletta is saved. I need to go and help rescue. Oh no, my snowmobile is covered in snow.
We can help. I'll fix it. All fixed.
Thank you, Pups.
Clucky, come back. Come here. Gotcha now.
Thank you, Pups. I'll make sure Clucky stays inside from now on.
This isn't a normal snow blizzard. It's moving around too quickly.
So what is it?
It was me! I was using my magic to change the weather. But I accidentally created a snow blizzard monster instead.
So we need to stop this monster.
We'll need our Super Paws powers for that.
I can help with that.
Thanks, Blizzard Funling. The monster is near us. I'll get the monster. The blizzard is too strong. Whoa! Thanks, Zuma. No problem.
Marshall and I will try to stop the blizzard.
I'll find the monster. And I'll stop the monster. Let's go. The monster is in front of us. I'll use my power. Yes, the blizzard has stopped.
Thank you, Pups. You stopped the snow monster.
That's okay. The Paw Patrol team are always happy to help.